Hey everybody, today on Talk Up Tuesday, Pete the Plumber.
Hi, I'm Pete the Plumber here with my buddy Paul the Pilot, showing you another way to cool down.
That is just one of Pete's great commercials. Make sure you check out his YouTube channel and see the rest of them. Pete and his partner Andrew have been around for a long time in this city doing everything plumbing. Hot water tanks, HVAC, furnaces, toilet repair, toilet replacement, all new installation for plumbing, as well as removing poly B from homes. We all know what that can do. Pete's also involved heavily in philanthropy in this city. Also involved with the Calgary Flames heavily, the Roughnecks, along with the Calgary Stampeders. Just can't say enough about Pete, as well as Andrew. Great character, great people. We love being partners with them. We do a lot of work with them here at Harding's, and we love them. Thanks, Pete and Andrew, for all of the support that you've given Harding's. We very much appreciate it, and we look forward to reciprocating as best we can. Have a great day, guys.